hygiene. At least if you wanna run with my team, I'm about to get into some shit that I've seen. This fool's breath from it, so that'll melt your ice cream. They say don't say nothing if you can't say nice things. Sitting too close to him on board like my eye sting. I tried to be subtle, hand him a stick of gum. I was a victim of breath on hum. Running this gap about what set me from. Gotta get some gum, gotta get him some. He turned it down, his teeth was brown. Excruciating foreign, it was a new sensation. I had to ask the dope to pass the soap, cause his coat had the slips and crustaceans. Our bathrooms in a bus station. He had a can of OE and some raisins. Amazing, head to Tobio, he didn't know. Used to the fragrance, just as the days went without bathing. He felt manly and not like a maiden. He had one dread and fungus. Said he worked on people's toilets with plungers. Girls, not the guy you would want to tongue, yeah. So guys, take your cue from this little number. You gotta wash your ass if you must. You gotta wash your hair if you must. You gotta brush your teeth if you must, or else you'll be funky. You gotta wash your ass if you must. You gotta wash your hair if you must. You gotta brush your teeth if you must, or else you'll be funky.